Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your avatar in AFK Arena. First of all, launch open the AFK Arena game on your device. Make sure that you are in the home page. After you are in the home section, go ahead and tap on the profile avatar, which is located at the top left corner. Now click on your profile avatar once again, and you can then go ahead and search through the available avatars. These may include hero portraits, special events icon, or customizable options. Tap on the avatar you'd like to select and click on Use. You can also upload your own image from your device's camera roll. To do so, tap the camera icon, and then you can have two different options. Either you can take a photo from your device's camera by tapping on Take Photo and clicking a picture. If you want to upload an existing picture from your device's camera roll, click on Album and select a picture from your device's camera roll. After selecting a picture, you can apply the picture on your profile. Tap on Complete at the bottom right and wait for a few seconds. You will then be able to upload the newly selected image from your device's camera roll, as you can see it on the screen. If you don't see your avatar immediately applied, you may need to wait for a couple of minutes or restart the application, and your updated avatar will now appear in the game. So that's how you change your avatar in AFK Arena. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.